Come in. Hello, I'm Alex, and today we are going to learn 23 phrasal verbs that are perfect for English beginners. Why are phrasal verbs important? We hear phrasal verbs everywhere, at the bank, at the grocery store, at the mechanic. Yes, phrasal verbs can be a challenge, but I promise that the phrasal verbs in this video are good for your level. So let's go. I said let's go. Another way to say let's go is come on. So come on means come with me or follow me. So you can say come on to your friends if you want to leave a place. Another easy command phrasal verb is hurry up, hurry up. This means go faster. Say it, hurry up. Okay, so hurry. Maybe your friend is in the bathroom. I don't know why I'm writing. Your friend is writing a book in the bathroom and you want your friend to finish in the bathroom. You say, hey, hurry up. Go faster. Finish faster. So repeat, hurry up. Next, at the beginning of the video, I said, come in. Come in means enter. This one is very logical. Come in, inside. So when you open the door to a person, you can say, come in, come in. You say it, come in. Finally, hold on. Okay, so hold on. This means wait or stop. So if your friend is walking very quickly, you can say, hold on, because you want them to wait for you, or you want them to stop because you want to catch them, catch them. So you can say, repeat after me, hold on. Okay, good. It's okay? Okay, I told you these are good for your level. Let's continue. The next two phrasal verbs are wake up and get up. We use these phrasal verbs to talk about the morning when we open our eyes and when we leave our bed in the morning. So repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Wake up. I stop sleeping. I open my eyes. Next, repeat after me. I get up at 6 o'clock. So get up means you leave the bed. Sorry if I didn't give you enough time to say it. So you can use this one or this one. People use both to talk about the time they stop sleeping in the morning. So me, I wake up at 5:50 in the morning, but I get up at 6 o'clock. How about you? Tell me in the comments. The next two phrasal verbs are used to talk about clothes and other things that you put on your body. For example, rings or earrings or necklaces or watches for the time. So you can put something on your body or take something off your body. For example, repeat, put your shoes on. Take off your coat. Good. Now here you will notice I put your shoes in the middle of put and on. This is because many phrasal verbs in English can be separated. Many can't, but many can. For now, just know at the beginner level, just know some phrasal verbs you can separate. Okay? So you can say, put on your shoes, or put your shoes on. You can say, take off your coat, or take your coat off. Is that okay? Okay, you are doing great. Let's continue. Next, we have 4 phrasal verbs that use the verb turn. We will go one by one. So the first example says, turn on the light, please. So we can use turn on to mean start something. Start a machine or something electronic. You can turn on your phone, turn on your TV. You can turn on the light in a room, for example. The opposite of turn on is, that's right, turn off. So listen to this example. Could you please turn off the light? This is a question. It is a request, and I need to put a question mark with that. Sorry if it looks a little funny. So turn on, start. Turn off, close. Close or like end. So turn off the TV, turn off your computer, turn off the light. Next, we have turn up and turn down. So this means to increase something, turn up, or decrease something, turn down. For example, can you turn up the volume? I can't hear the TV. Can you turn up the volume so I can hear the TV better? Next, please turn down the heat. It is very hot in this room. You have the heat on. Please turn down, reduce, turn down the heat. Is that okay? Okay, just to make sure, please repeat after me. Turn on the light. Turn off the TV. Turn up the volume. Turn down. Turn down the heat. Good. So far, so good. Let's continue. Now I want to talk about some physical actions. Maybe you know these actions. If you don't, it's okay. The first physical action is sit down. This is a comfortable chair. I am sitting down. Are you sitting down while you are watching this video, or are you standing up? So repeat after me. You can sit down on the couch. Couch is another word for sofa, right? A big seat in the living room. And the next one, repeat after me. I should stand up. This is true for me. At home, at work, I sit down a lot. I type on my computer, and I should stand up more. Now I am standing up. It's hard. It's very hard. Okay, next, pick up your socks. So to pick up is to lift something from a surface. I don't have socks. There is a water bottle on the floor. I will pick up the water bottle. So I picked up the water bottle from the floor. The opposite of pick up is to put down. So to put down something is to place it on a surface. So repeat after me. Put down your phone. Okay. Now both pick up and put down, you need an object. Okay. So you need to pick up something. You can say pick it up, right? Remember, we can separate some phrasal verbs. Pick it up. You can also command someone, put it down. Put it down. I will put down this water bottle and we will continue with the lesson. These phrasal verbs we use to talk about going inside a place or going outside a place. So, for example, let's go in, right? So, let's go in means let's enter. Let's go in to the restaurant, for example. Next, do you want to go out? Go out means to leave your home, usually for a fun social activity, like coffee with your friend or a movie, or to go shopping just for fun. So do you want to go out? And then the person answers, no, I want to stay in. So stay in means stay at home. I want to stay here. So do you like to go out or stay in on Friday night? Tell me in the comments. Remember, in the comments, what time do you wake up? And do you like to go out or stay in on Friday night? Finally, we have two phrasal verbs. They both mean return. You can go back to a place or come back to a place. Now, go back means from here to there, and come back means from there to here. Okay? Go and come. That's the difference. So, for example, I want to go back home, right? I want to leave this place. I want to go from here to my home. So repeat after me. I want to go back home. Good. And repeat after me. What time will you come back? So maybe your roommate, your friend went to the store and you say, okay, well, I need the car in 1 hour. What time will you come back from the store to our apartment, for example? Okay, go in, go out, stay in, go back, come back. Just two more. The final two phrasal verbs are about public transportation, entering public transportation and leaving or exiting public transportation. Usually this is about buses, trains, and subways, boats as well, big boats. So if you use a big form of public transportation, you can use the phrasal verbs get on to mean enter the form of public transportation, and get off to exit or leave the form of public transportation. So repeat after me. Let's get on the bus. I think I hear a bus outside. Do you hear it? Or is the microphone okay? And finally, repeat after me. We must get off at the next stop. Good. Like the next station, the bus stop, the subway stop, for example. Whew, that was a lot, but you did it. So what can you do now? You can do the quiz on engVid. Just click the link that is attached to this video. I hope you enjoyed practicing phrasal verbs with me. I know they are a challenge, but with videos like this, with practice like this, all the time, regularly, you can improve and you will improve your English. Just one more thing. If you want to learn more about phrasal verbs, I have a book. It's called 100 Practical English Phrasal Verbs. You can get it in PDF or a physical format from Amazon. Just check out the link that is attached to this video. Until next time, I hope that you will keep learning and keep practicing.